How to delete your Tonkeeper wallet account. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Tonkeeper wallet account. If you no longer need your wallet or just want to start fresh, this is the perfect guide for you. This is a step-by-step guide, so make sure to follow along closely to avoid any mistakes. So let's get started. To start, you'll first need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet app. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and log into your account now. So first, make sure you're on the home page, as this is where we'll be doing everything. So make sure you're on this screen. Now, once you're on the home page, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a small gear icon. Tap on this to open your settings page. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see a lot of different options. But since we want to delete your Tonkeeper wallet account, just scroll down to the bottom of the list. Here, you'll find the third to last option, Delete Account. Tap on this option. After tapping Delete Account, you'll see a warning pop up at the bottom of the screen. It will let you know that deleting your account will erase your wallet keys and all personal data from the device. Now here's a very important step. Before you go ahead and delete your account, make sure you have backed up your recovery phrase. If you haven't already done so, I have a separate video on how to back up your recovery phrase. Feel free to check it out on my channel. This is important because if you ever want to recover your wallet in the future, you'll need that recovery phrase. Once you've backed up your recovery phrase and are sure you want to proceed, you need to check the box confirming that you've backed up your recovery phrase. After that, tap on the Delete Wallet Data button at the bottom. A final pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your action. Simply tap on the Delete button, and that's it. You have successfully deleted your Tonkeeper wallet account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.